In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a timeline on Asana the easiest way possible. Whether you're managing a team or organizing a project for your personal goals, being able to export your timeline can provide a clearer perspective and allow for smoother collaboration. Let's get started. Begin by opening your Asana application. If you haven't logged in yet, now's the time to do that. Once you're in, it's important to ensure all your projects are up to date. This will make exporting more accurate and meaningful. Take just a brief moment to check the current state of your projects. For today's tutorial, we'll be focusing on a specific project you have planned. With everything set, navigate over to the project you wish to export. You can find it easily in your list of projects or utilize the search bar for quick access. Once you've located your project, make sure to select the project name to confirm you're in the right workspace. After that, look towards the top of the interface and click on Timeline. Here you'll want to pay close attention to a small drop-down arrow positioned beside the project's name. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. This drop-down menu is where all the exporting magic happens. You'll notice various options within this list, but the one you're looking for is labeled Sync Export. Click on it and it will display a range of exporting options. Asana provides multiple ways to integrate and export your timeline, so the choice you make here will rely on your particular needs. If your goal is to track tasks through a calendar, you might want to sync using tools like Google Calendar. Simply use the calendar icon presented in the options. For those who love the clarity and organization that spreadsheets can offer, exporting to Google Sheets might be ideal. This option is great, especially if you plan to sort data or conduct further data analysis later. For those managing large amounts of data and needing a structured format, exporting as a CSV file could be the way to go. The CSV format allows you to handle your tasks as text, which opens up possibilities for data manipulation in a variety of software. Lastly, for developers or more advanced users requiring a deeper data structure, the JSON format is also available. And just like that, you've successfully exported your timeline from Asana, making your project data more accessible and easier to manage outside the platform. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful in your project management journey. If you enjoyed this tutorial or learned something new, please give the video a like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful guides. Till next time.